Hello everyone, we are at our second hotel of this trip. We just went down the road a little ways and we are at the Hampton Inn in Lake Delton. This is a relatively new property. We stayed here once in the winter, or like the kids' winter spring break right after it opened a few years ago. It's still in really great shape and they are doing a phenomenal job here of taking pandemic precautions. We used a digital key, so we were able to check in through the app and we didn't even need to stop at the front desk to get a key. I could just use my phone to open the door, including the outside doors, and it worked perfectly. They have signage everywhere. They have social distancing markers on the floor. They are not allowing guests to go into the pool. You have to ask permission basically at the front desk, and then they will give you access to the pool. That is how they are making sure there are not too many people in there.
That's nice.
And then when I went and talked to the guy downstairs, he brought me this breakfast menu. It's kind of like, you know, like one of those ones you'd put on your door. We pre-order it and we leave it in the basket down there by the front desk by 9 p.m. tonight. And then they will have our breakfast ready for us to grab at the time that we specify. So they'll have it all ready to go. And then they had extra tables like all around the front desk, so you couldn't get too close to the front desk guy. And unlike the La Quinta that we stayed at last night, everybody that works here has been wearing a mask. And they seem to be like really strict about it. So I'm very pleased with the approach that Hilton is taking to caring for their guests during the pandemic. And I will probably be sticking with Hilton properties for the foreseeable future because of it. So we're very happy and content, and I really just kind of wish we had come straight here. I was trying to save a little money because La Quinta was less expensive, and I was also curious about the La Quinta because it was a brand new property and I wanted to check it out and see what it was like. We were very pleased with the La Quinta we stayed at in Duluth, and I will link that video up above so you can check that out. Whenever I put those little iCards up there, by the way, you can just click on that and it'll open it in a new tab. It will not take you out of this video. And so I had high hopes for that La Quinta. I mean, the property is very nice, but that room was very poorly designed. And I am just very dismayed that they were not following their own rules or the state mandate for mask wearing. So, and I wasn't happy about that. So, but I'm glad I got the opportunity to try it so that I could share it with you guys so you could see what it was like. So we're gonna be here for 2 nights. Also very pleased at the amount of space in this room, which I will show you in a minute, because if we wanted to bring food back and eat in here, we have plenty of space to do that. These are the clean stay seals that they put on the doors to show you that they have cleaned the room with pandemic, you know, extra measures, and that nobody's been in the room since. So if that seal is broken, you know somebody's been in there. They are taking pandemic precautions very seriously here at the Hampton. Here's the elevator etiquette. And I mean, just this is night and day, making us feel safer already from when we were at La Quinta last night. Okay, they have sanitizer inside the elevator, and then they've got you know, reminding you about the housekeeping service. The fitness center is limited. The pool is limited. Thank you for social distancing. So we're on the 4th floor and we're way down on the end, and Hilton listens to me and knows what I like. They know I like a high floor and they know I like to be away from the elevators. We're all the way down here in room 431. Okay, so as you can see, it's a typical modern Hampton Inn layout. The elevators are here in the center and we're all the way down here at the end by the stairs, which I like being by the stairs too. On the top floor, because Hilton loves me and listens when I say I want a high floor away from the elevators. Okay, when you come in, we have stayed in suites like this before. There's a fridge in here. There's a microwave here. This little shelf pulls out. There's a little sink, ice bucket. Sorry about our stuff. There's a little coffee maker, nice big mirror over it. And then this room opens up and this is big. Now, the one we've stayed at near our house when we were having some necessary work done at our house, which is the same as what's happening now, this was like a bigger L-shaped couch.
Went out all the way to where that outlet would be, and
like over, yeah. So this is just a little smaller couch, but that's totally fine. And there's this, I love this picture. This is Adele's autumn picture. And we have a view of, wrong way. We're at the back. So over there is a BP station. You can see the Wilderness Resort over there. See the green slides? And then back here is just woods, I guess. Okay, and then we have this really nice big desk area, which I really like. And there's a nice big office chair. And here's the TV. Another big window over there. 2 queen size beds with a nice table and 2 lamps and a phone and an alarm clock and USBs and plugs in between, and then this pull-out table here too. This is probably my favorite setup in a Hampton Inn, at least. I really like this setup. And then, I mean, it's just, you could have a dance party in here. This room is huge. And then they've got these little pull-out ottoman things. These are on wheels. These are nice for either seating or setting your stuff on. Which, if you haven't watched my 4 practical problems with hotels video yet, be sure to check that out. And there's this nice pretty sunset photo. And I put the luggage rack in the corner. It was in the closet. But I mean, there's just so much space in here. It's really nice, especially when you have more than 1 or 2 people. The bathroom door is sliding. I don't mind it so much here though, because this is more than the bathroom. Shower, the toilet are in there. Nice big counter with lots of space. Oh. I think the hairdryer's missing. That's kind of weird. Okay, nice big mirror over the sink. They leave us Neutrogena products. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy room tours like this and resort tours and other travel content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed this video. Thanks everyone, and safe travels.